Hello, my name is Jessie and I am the CEO and founder of Nook Salon.
Here we go!
So Nook started since 2017, so we are now on our 7th year anniversary. So Nook started here in Mandaluyong, Boulevard. But now we have 4 branches. We have Las Piñas, we have Makati, and we have Quezon City, in Eton, Quezon City. Well, Nook is an English term. Corner, your special corner, your special sanctuary. So Nook is derived from that. So we wanted to come up with a place na it's your Nook, it's your personal Nook. For all your holistic needs, it's your one-stop Nook, one-stop corner. Hello Glamour team! Welcome to Nook! Ito rin yung aming parang photo wall area. So may hashtag Nooktified because that's our branding. Once you come in, you get Nooktified. So personally, gusto ko kasi yung pinapamper ako. So when I resigned from my previous work, wanted to come up with something na I don't have to go to a lot of places. I wanted to have something na parang one-stop shop na siya. So when I come in, I have all the services I needed. That's the reason why we come up with Nook Salon. So this serves our counter cashier area. This is where the customer pays. And we try to make it minimalist as possible, pero sa salon hindi talaga kaya yon. And this area is our waiting area, an additional waiting area here. So this is where the glamour products are displayed. So right away, the customer will see yung mga glamour products na binibenta natin, mga OTC. Nook is known for its hair coloring, hair treatments, and now we have come up with no bleach balayage, which I think we are the first, or I think the pioneer for that innovation. So G&G has helped us in the sense that we're able to come up with a balayage without the use of bleach.
7 years namin dito sa Nook, mas nakilala kami sa coloring. Like balayage, mga fashion color, dahil sa tulong ng G&G Glamour.
So coming from the hallway, on the right side, we have here the VIP area. This is where a group of people, maximum of 3 people can be accommodated. So yeah, we make sure it's well lit. And as you can see, ang team namin, very minimalist talaga, black and gray lang talaga. So on the right side, you have here the washing area. The moment we started Nook, we already have G&G Glamour on board.
Since nag-start ako sa Nook, nag-start din kaming gumamit ng G&G at naging okay naman ang feedback ng client sa amin. Hindi mahapdi sa anit, very mild lang siya. Ayun, paulit-ulit na silang bumabalik sa amin.
Nung introduce sa amin yung Glamour, syempre may hesitations and all. But once we have tested, together with our stylists, we have tested all the products. Most of our clients, wala namang reklamo or something na we have to consider pulling it out from our store. Then we continue ordering from Glamour. And up to this date, on our 7th year, we still use Glamour. So in this area is spacious enough. This is what we call the war room because this is where the hair coloring war is happening. So 8-seater siya, back-to-back mirrors na we make sure again na maluwag siya para at comfortable siya for the customers. I have the special relationship with Glamour already, being their client for 7 years. So I think they are considering us as one of their tenured clients. The products are really a testament. Having a good feedback from them, it's already a testament that Glamour and Nook has a good partnership.
I recommend G&G product kasi complete package from head to toe, very effective, hindi ka mapapahiya, kaya I chose Glamour product.
If you don't have bad feedback from the customers, then it's definitely a good sign that you have to order Glamour.
I choose hair color remover kasi mabilis siyang gamitin at the same time, less damage yung hair. I rate it 5. Yung Glamour color, very mild, napaka-ganda sa buhok, hindi siya matapang, at binabalik-balikan ito ng mga client namin. I rate it 5. Yung Kerados treatment natin, mabilis tong gamitin, malambot sa buhok, very refreshing at mabango. I rate it 5.
So if I would to rate it, I would rate hair growth factor 5 out of 5. For argan oil, this is my another favorite, 5 out of 5. And my travel favorite, Kerados, 5 out of 5. Having Glamour on our line of products for 7 years, I don't have any qualms or reklamo. And if there is, the team is actually very responsive. So that's number one factor for me as an owner as well, the key relationship between us and the Glamour team. We are from Nook Salon and we choose Glamour! So we're inviting you all to come here sa bagong-bagong Nook Salon branch. And for our promos and discounts, you can visit our Facebook and Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter accounts at NookPH Official. You can also visit or walk in to our branches we have in Las Piñas, Makati, and Quezon City. Here we go!